There's a new AI agent in town. It runs inside Telegram, no coding, no setup, no computer needed, and it might just replace the tool everyone's been using. Manus AI versus OpenClaw, let's find out who wins. Stay with me, because later in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Manus AI to automate real business tasks. And I mean real tasks, like building landing pages, running research, and producing content, all from your phone. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so first things first. What even is Manus? Manus is a cloud-based AI agent that lives inside Telegram. You send it a message, it goes off and does the work, and then it comes back with the finished output. That's the whole idea. No installation, no terminal, no API keys to mess around with, no sitting at your desk babysitting the process. It works in the background while you do other stuff, and when it's done, it pings you. That's the big difference from OpenClaw. OpenClaw is powerful, but it needs local setup. It needs your computer running. It needs API configuration. It needs you to be at least a little bit technical. Manus, you scan a QR code and you're in. That's a massive deal for non-technical people. And honestly, even for technical people who just want things done fast without the headache. Let me show you how this actually works in practice. Here's a prompt you could send Manus right now. Write a full landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include a headline, a benefits section, and a call to action. Make it simple, punchy, and focused on why AI automation saves businesses time and helps them grow. Manus takes that single message, breaks it into steps, does the research, writes the copy, formats the whole thing, and sends it back ready to use. No back and forth, no prompting 10 times to get it right. Just one message and a finished output waiting in your chat. Here's another example. You could say, build me a Pomodoro timer app and host it. Manus builds the app, deploys it, and sends you a live link. Or try this one. Research the top 10 AI automation tools for marketing agencies and write a summary report. It goes out, finds the information, pulls it together, writes the report, and delivers it straight to your Telegram. That's the power here. Simple input, complex output, zero friction between the idea and the result. Quick pause right here because this is important. If you're serious about using AI agents like Manus to automate and grow your business, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to actually implement tools like this. Not just watch videos about them, but build real systems and real automations for your real business. Whether you're running an agency, doing content, or selling a service, we show you exactly how to use AI to save time and operate smarter. Link is in the description. Go check it out and then come back because there's a lot more to cover. Here's why this matters beyond just Manus specifically. Local AI agents have a real problem that nobody talks about enough. They depend entirely on your computer. Your computer turns off, the agent stops. Your internet drops, the agent stops. You travel or step away from your desk, the agent stops. Cloud agents don't have that problem at all. Manus runs around the clock in the background on any device. You could be on your phone at the airport and still be sending tasks and getting results back. No dependency on your machine, no juggling credentials, fewer crashes and fewer errors, and that reliability compounds over time. The more you trust your tools, the more you delegate. The more you delegate, the more you get done without burning yourself out. That's the real advantage of going cloud native with your automation stack. Let me break the system down simply so it actually makes sense. The first layer is where you send a command, text, voice note, image file, whatever works for you. Telegram is your control panel. The second layer is where Manus gets to work. It breaks your task into subtasks, does the research, writes the content, builds the assets, and generates whatever output you need, all automatically without you touching anything. The third layer is delivery, a link, a PDF, a website, a document. It comes straight back to you in Telegram. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this could look like sending a voice note that says, create a week of LinkedIn content about AI automation for agencies. Manus writes it, formats it, and sends it back. You review it and post. One voice message, 7 pieces of content, done. That's the kind of output that used to take hours of manual work or a whole content team. Here's where it gets really interesting. Manus connects to tools like Gmail, Google Drive, GitHub, Meta Ads Manager, Canva, HeyGen, and more. And most of those connections are one-click installs, so you could say pull last week's leads from Gmail, summarize them, and drop the summary into a Google Doc, and it just does it. For agencies running client campaigns, imagine saying pull the Meta Ads performance data and write a client report. Done in minutes with no manual pulling and no copy-paste in between tabs. That's the kind of automation that used to require a full workflow tool, hours of setup, and probably a developer to build it. Now it's one message in a chat window. Let me make the comparison dead simple. On setup, Manus wins easily. QR code and you're in. OpenClaw needs a local environment and API configuration before you can even start. On reliability, Manus wins again. It's cloud hosted, so it doesn't break when things update on your machine. On portability, Manus wins because it works from your phone, and OpenClaw is largely desktop dependent. On customization and developer control, OpenClaw might still have the edge. If you want to get deep into the technical weeds and control every parameter, OpenClaw gives you more flexibility there. So the honest answer is they're built for different people. OpenClaw is for developers and power users who want full control. Manus is for everyone else who wants results without the complexity. Non-technical entrepreneurs, absolutely yes. Content creators, yes. Agency owners, yes. Anyone who wants to automate without needing to hire a developer or spend a week in setup, yes. If you're managing client work, running outreach, producing content, or doing research, Manus removes the friction between you and the finished output. For most people watching this video, Manus is the faster and more accessible path right now. Here's the thing that nobody is saying out loud yet. Messaging apps are becoming the new operating system. You don't open software anymore. You send a message, the agent does the work, you get a result. That's where automation is heading, and Manus is one of the first tools that makes that genuinely real today, not theoretical, not coming soon, right now. The businesses that figure this out early are going to move faster than everyone else because their systems run in the background while they sleep, while they travel, while they focus on strategy. Does Manus destroy OpenClaw? For ease of use and accessibility, yes, Manus wins clearly. For developer control and deep customization, OpenClaw is still relevant, but the trend is obvious. Cloud-based, mobile-first, messaging native, that's the direction everything's moving, and Manus is already there. Two things before you go. First, if you want to learn how to use tools like Manus to automate your business properly, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We go deep on real implementation, real systems and real workflows built for people who want results, not just information. Link is in the description. Second, if you want the full SOPs, use cases and video notes from today, join the AI Success Lab. It's free and there are over 40,000 members already inside using AI to build smarter businesses. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get everything you need in there. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you using Manus, OpenClaw, or something else entirely? Julian reads every single one. See you in the next one.